Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to watch Discover Plus outside of the United States. That means you can watch it from anywhere. If I go to Google and type Discovery Plus, here is the link, discoveryplus.com. You can see I don't have access to watch it because I live outside of the United States. To deal with this issue, you need to use VPN. VPN will allow me to change my location. I use IVACY. It works very well with Discovery Plus and it's very easy to use. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Here is the app. Then I need to select United States and then click to connect. Just wait for a few seconds. It's already connected now. You can see your location, United States. Okay, now let me refresh the site. You can see now I have access to watch it. Here is the site, because Discovery Plus thinks that I'm in the United States. You can start here, free trial, and this is the site. This is what you need to do if you want to watch Discovery Plus from anywhere. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet, and don't forget to check the link in the description below. Thank you and see you.